The Native Lands Act is what basically was aligned with apartheid. Black and people of color could not own land. And so before we go on so deep into history, you've taken us back to the 17th century. Yes. In that case, shouldn't everybody leave the property to the Khoisan, who are thought to be the native occupants of South Africa?
No, actually, Africa and South Africa, it belongs to the Bantu people. It belongs to the Ngunis. So it belongs to the people of Africa.
What about Tavy here?
We are not saying it doesn't belong here. Now that we are living together here, our perspective is that the land must go back to the chiefs, the traditional leaders, and the state, especially when it comes to minerals. Because you cannot have a situation whereby minerals are owned, mines are owned by people who do not live in this country, people who are living in London, people who are living in America. They are owning minerals here. They are owning stone here in South Africa. Our wealth is in their hands. Okay. So that you have to expropriate into the hands of the state so that it's able to benefit the people of this country. Right. That is what we are saying. And we are saying that land must be expropriated. We are unapologetic about this. Mm-hmm. Land must be expropriated without compensation, because this thing of wasting taxpayers' money, buying land that has been stolen.
So the main thing, I disagree with you on the fact that crime in South Africa is happening because of poverty. Sure, that is one reason. But if you look or elsewhere in Africa, everywhere in Africa, South Africa's crime rate is rampant. It's not just poverty. I believe the biggest problem in South Africa currently is the government. And if they expropriate the land in a blanket way, every portion of land, every hectare of land, do you know how many hectares of land currently the government owns in South Africa? Lying bare and wasted. That was bought from white farmers. If the ANC was in any way serious about giving black people land, I have no problem. They should give black people land. They should get black people to farm on that land. And there's a lot of Bophuthatswana, for instance, is 4 million hectares that's lying bare. If they were really serious about empowering black farmers, they would have given them that farm. They would have given them title deeds. But if there is today a blanket expropriation happening, they will still not give you the land.
Okay.